Hey there, art explorers. Ready to uncover the secret behind those stunning ceramic finishes? Ceramic glaze is like the superhero cape for your pottery. It's a glass-like coating that not only jazzes up your ceramics, but also adds a layer of protection. So, what's in this magical mix? First up, we have silica. It's the main player, forming a glassy layer when melted. Next, alumina steps in to increase durability and control fluidity. Then we have fluxes like potassium and sodium that help the glaze melt at lower temperatures. And let's not forget coloring oxides. They bring those vibrant hues to life. Iron oxide gives reds and browns, while copper oxide splashes in green. Glaze isn't just about looks, though. It also protects your masterpiece, making it water-resistant and durable. Plus those smooth surfaces, they make cleaning a breeze. So next time you admire a beautiful piece of pottery, remember, it's all thanks to the wonder of ceramic glaze.